Kapamilya, joining us in the studio today is the high-flying champions of America's Best Dance Crew, the Super Crew. Welcome to Balitang America. Now, our viewers voted the Super Crew here to our list of the year's top 10 newsmakers. Kumusta kayo and welcome to Balitang America again. Ngayon, kapamilya, kung nakita mo po sila sa MTV, sila po yung mga naka-ninja at naka-superman. Lumilipad-lipad sila sa mga sayaw nila and we're very happy to have you here. So how has life been since your victory?
It's been crazy, man. It's been really amazing. It's been like a roller coaster. We've really been working a lot, doing a lot of shows, just trying to stay busy.
Okay, now I asked them earlier before we did this taping, you're Filipino, you're Filipino, you're Filipino, you're non-Filipino. How did you guys get together? How did you get together and become this great Super Crew team?
Back in 2000, we met at a competition, a b-boy competition, and we saw this other group that looked like us, and we're like, oh, they're Filipino, we're Filipino, so you know, let's test each other. So we called them out again a battle, and we ended up becoming really good friends after that and entering battles together.
And you have great chemistry. So I'd like to ask the non-Filipino guys here, your team, how was it like working with these Filipino guys here?
Well, that's kind of a funny question. Honestly, from being a dancer, I've always been around Filipinos. Like, when I was in high school, I used to kick it with all the Filipinos because a lot of times they were the ones that were breakdancing, b-boying. So, I mean, honestly, it feels like family with them. Like, you know, I have a lot of Filipino, but like, to me, it's like family, you know what I mean? So,
Family.
I mean,
So do you eat the Filipino food as well?
I eat.
What's your favorite?
For me, it's adobo. I love adobo.
Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Okay, so
Good.
how did you feel when these guys are waving the Filipino flag? Were you happy? Of course, you have to be after eating adobo, di ba?
We're proud for them.
Yeah, okay. Now, so far, both of the America's Best Dance Crew that we have here that has been Filipinos. Now, how is it like being part of the mainstream media now? You're working professionally now, right?
Yeah, it feels great, especially to see Filipinos on the screen. Because when I was growing up, I watched music videos, got inspired, but it was never from a Filipino. So now, like Jabberwockies, So Real Crew are on TV, MTV, Supreme Soul.
Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao, baby.
Oh, yeah. This is the year of the Filipinos, don't you think so?
Yeah.
And do you think we'll see more Filipinos in the next season?
Yeah,
Definitely.
Okay. Now, I heard that you will be teaming up with the Jabberwockies and you would call this
Super Wacky.
Super Walkies. Is that true? How is it like going to be?
I think it's going to be a figment of your imagination, plus high-flying action. I don't know.
Wow, amazing. Okay. Okay, what do you have in store for your fans this new year, this coming year? Any shows, records, performances?
We actually have a new line that we're working on for clothing line. It's going to be the SC3 clothing line. So we're going to try to like bring a lot of new flavors out there that like comes from people like us, like b-boys, and yeah, we're just really excited about that.
Okay.
Some new stuff.
Where will we be able to
Be on the
buy
lookout.
this? Online or what? You have stores?
We're going to try to get it everywhere.
Supercrew.com.
Supercrew.com.
Okay, so it basically would look like that.
Basically, how we look right now, you're gonna be able to buy our clothes.
Amazing. Okay. Well, thank you. Any other shows that you'd like to promote at this time?
We will be in Guam in February, whoever's going to be in Guam. Ronnie is a native from Guam.
Yes.
We're going to be there for a week or two. And,
Possibly the Philippines.
Possibly the Philippines.
We're hoping to make an appearance in the Philippines.
Please. Balut.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat for gracing our program today and more power to you and your new projects.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
And